Breaking the Wall of Marine Fouling, Hamza Alfarawati, Falling Walls Lab, Jeddah.
Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for having me today. Today, I'm going to talk about a problem that we face in any ship industry, in the aquaculture industry, and it costs them billions of dollars, which is known as fouling. But what is fouling? Fouling is the accumulation of organisms in wet surfaces, as you can see in the pictures above. The problem with this accumulation that it causes an increase in structural failure in sensor, and it slows down ships, meaning more fuel, meaning more CO2 emission. To alleviate this problem, me and my colleague, we went to a marine military site in Saudi Arabia, and we asked them and how they fight this solution. And one of the solutions that they use is anti-fouling painting that they put under the ship to fight this problem. But we were told that there is a bigger problem than the painting itself, as they need to retouch it and change it every year. This put us in a bigger problem is the fact that they have to pick up the ships from the sea. You can imagine when you have hundreds of ships and you are running a business company that run like Amazon or HDL, how much will it cost them to run a crew, that specialized crew that need to utilize specific specialized crew to run a complex machine to create of the ship and a professional cleaner to retouch it and repaint the ship every now and then. It was estimated that you can save about $150 billion a year in a study that was made in 2014 if you have an effective anti-fouling solution. For this, we developed a nanometal oxide material that we can edit into any substance or the same material that they build those ships on. As you can see in the tables there, you can see that we are comparing one painting that we evolve our material on, a commercial one and a special one. And you can, in three factors, which is their prices, their sustainability, and their eco-friendly. And you can notice immediately that our painting is half cheap as the commercial one. And the special one is the one that they use in the military. Our painting lasts for more than a year, when the commercial one needs to be changed every now and another, and the special one doesn't last long, and our is eco-friendly when the other are not. You can see in the down right to you, the one with the white sheet, an experiment that was made similar painting for us that was not modified before it was emissioned 15 days, 45 days, 90 days, 135 days, 180, and 360, which is a year, and there is little to no accumulation. Meanwhile, you can see in the picture in the down left, when between day 0 and day 108, and there is little to no accumulation in A and B, which is modified, our modified painting, and F, which is the commercial, which was flooded with fouling. So you can imagine how much you can save when you run our innovation in companies like Amazon, HDL, and other. Thank you very much for listening. Assalamu alaikum.